Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today we got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I don't know what's in, is this the, no, yeah, I don't know what's in here. So we're going to find out together. Thanks so much to my generous patrons. Seriously, thank you guys so much for supporting me. There's a link for my Patreon right down below. We do fun stuff over there, so check it out if you want to. Please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay, let's get into it. This was sent to me by Sean, and recently a lot of you guys have been asking me, hey, do you want to check out this? Do you want to check out this? And I said, usually I tell people to wait until I put the new list up. It's in the community tab, so go to my YouTube channel and check out my community tab. Check out the list of knives that I want to check out for review. Yes, I do send these back to people. I don't keep these. There's a list there, and I'm also looking for stuff that you guys are suggesting. Oh, boy. Oh, I know what this is. Okay, all right. Sharp by Design. There's a note. Hang on. Thank you so much. Hey, Metal, enjoy the blank. Oh, I can't wait for you guys to see this. Oh, my gosh. It really is an amazing knife. Yeah, I bet it is. I bet it is. Fit and finish is second to none. Please refrain from taking it apart. Absolutely. I had no problem with that. Enjoy. And there's some other information there. He has an upcoming prototype, which we will definitely be talking about. Now, his Instagram, if you guys want to check out any information on what he's doing, I suggest you do that. That's going to be, I don't want to share any other information, right here, Noel_knives. So check him out on Instagram. Let's get in to this box. The tension. Ooh, the tension is building. Oh, yeah. Ah, yeah. Do I want to flip it, or I kind of want to reverse flick it? Ah, yes. So this is a full custom Sharp by Design Void XL, which I have never handled before. This is kind of a departure from his other stuff. And I'll get out, you know, I have some other things here. Some other Sharp by Design knives. I have my own custom. The customs are made, of course, by Brian Nadeau in the United States. And then I also have a production Tempest. I'm sorry, not a Tempest. A production Evo Typhoon that's made by Riot. So here's my custom. But you can see here all, there we go, focus. We have three completely different looking models, but the consistency, getting some reflection there. Like we have some more, you know, kind of straighter handle profiles and straighter designs. But the Void XL, absolutely. Oh, we're gonna go again. There we go. This absolutely is a different looking blade here. Now the blade steel, I don't know. I know he works with Nitro V, with S90V, right? And then of course we have Dama Core, Dama Steel, stuff like that. I do not know what the steel is, but I can tell you the detent feels just as good as the other ones that I've handled, just different because of the blade profile. This area right here is way more satisfying to use, the reverse flick. Ergonomics are near perfection, and that's thanks to a wonderful pocket clip design. Look how he polishes these areas in here. And then the machining. The Sharp by Design machine work, the milling is always just amazing. We have this raised pivot area, right? Now these pivot zones are locked down, and I think that's the same way with mine. A lot of people complain about that. I've heard, you know, I've listened to him talk on the Knife Nuts podcast, which I actually, if you didn't know, I have a permanent link in my description for the Knife Nuts podcast here on YouTube, because I love the Knife Nuts podcast. If you have not checked that out, you definitely should. You can follow Brian Nadeau, Sharp by Design on Instagram, as well as Levon or Knife Nuts podcast on Instagram for more info on stuff like this. But he's talked about that, completely and totally shutting down the pivot area. These are not knives that I personally would care to ever take apart. I understand people really like to take their stuff apart. These things are so unbelievably tight. I mean, it's really above and beyond when it comes to construction. It's so tight that if there's any alterations that need to be made, he apparently, I don't speak for him, apparently just requests they be sent back. I can understand both sides of the argument there, but from me, you know, as an owner of this, now the Riot one you can get into. All right, as an owner of this, I can say I'm very unlikely I'll ever care to take it apart, but look at the, the level of precision. Look at the centering on it. It's just ridiculous. And then, of course, lockup, nice engagement, nice geometry, no blade play, up, down, left, or right, no pivot lash, no, nothing, not even a hint. Nice clicky detent. There's internal milling, and then we have these, well, the slots themselves are the milling, right? The weight, it's going to be weight reduction there, but they come in a lot of different forms. Now, as far as when he does these, how often he does them, my understanding is that Brian Nadeau does knives when he feels like it. Now, they do a lot of production stuff with Rayot, and that's kind of to meet the demands of some of the other people who want to get their hands on stuff and can't, and number two, can't, you know, because these customs are really expensive. A lot more work going into something like this, right? That is gorgeous. I love that. I'm going to call that, I mean, a clip point blade. And down at the edge, yeah, very thin, glassy. Oh man, that edge is just gorgeous. Look at that. That is a nice looking knife. Oh man. Sean, thank you so much for sending this in for me to take a look at. This is not a review. This is just an unboxing and first impressions. I will do a full comprehensive video on this knife probably 2 to 3 weeks from now. So keep your eyes out for that if you want more information. You know, I do a lot of stuff. If you're new to my channel, I upload 14 videos a week, so twice a day. I review 5 knives a week, and I do my best to mix it up between knives that you can get and knives that you can't get, knives that are expensive and knives that are inexpensive. The idea being is that there's something here for everybody, whether you're actually looking for your next knife or you're just looking for general entertainment. I like to cater to a wide variety of folks. And so this is one of those knives that's very hard to get and very, very expensive, but it's fun to check out, right? Because there's not an enormous amount of information out there on these things. So it's fun, right? That's really the idea here, entertainment. Anyways, let me get my stuff out of the way here. Always happy to take a look at something from Sharp by Design. Some of the, in fact, probably, as far as this channel goes, these are probably, now, you know, I'm not going to say everybody needs a super duper crazy expensive custom knife. But if you want to know the nicest knives that I have ever handled, the highest quality knives that I have ever handled, it's pretty consistently Sharp by Design. There's a lot of great stuff out there. But Sharp by Design really is they're in a universe all by themselves. So, or Brian Nadeau is in a universe all by himself. Anyways, I think that's going to be pretty much it. Guys, please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.